Welcome to Claude Code for Beginners. In this video, we are going to add support for another data source to fetch stock quotes. First, I am going to try FinHub. So, let's get started. I am giving this prompt to Claude Code. Let's add support for FinHub to fetch stock data. In the settings section, provide an option to choose current data source, FinHub or AlphaVantage, and accept API key of respective platform. Let's run it. This is going to take a while, so I'm going to speed up the video. Claude has completed all changes in 3 minutes. It added new service for FinHub, modified data model and user interface. Let's look at it in action. Let's go to setting page. You can see there's another option next to AlphaVantage for FinHub. I am going to select it and paste my API key here. And save it. Now let's see if it works. Go to Dashboard. Select our watch list. Click on a symbol. Oops, it didn't work. It is giving similar error, I guess. Now let's try with 12 data. As you can see, FinHub plan has some restrictions, so I am going to try 12 data now. I am giving this prompt to Claude Code. Let's add support for 12 data. To fetch stock data, modify the settings section accordingly. For chart, default the time frame to 1 day. Again, it's going to take a while. So I will speed up the video. Claude has completed all changes. It added new service for 12 data and modified other files. I want to make few more changes to avoid rate limits. Let's do it. I am adding a button to toggle auto refresh and keeping it off by default. This will save some API calls to 12 data. Also, I am adding a button to manual refresh. Okay, it's done. Now let's see if it works. Let's log into our application. Go to Settings page. We have to now set up the 12 data API key. Let's go to Dashboard and select our watch list and click on a symbol. Bingo! The charts are working perfectly. You can even see open, high, low, and closing price when you hover the chart. Now we have an end-to-end working application. Finally, we made our application work end-to-end. However, I noticed there was an intermittent JavaScript error while navigating the chart. So in the next video, I am going to show how to fix any bugs that you encounter. Till then, happy coding.